We'll guide you through how to create motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fusion tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens for motion graphics. To start, you need to create a new Fusion composition. You can do this by right-clicking in the Media pool and selecting New Fusion Composition. Set the desired duration for your composition and click Create. Once your composition is in the timeline, double-click to enter the Fusion page. You'll see two nodes by default, Media In and Media Out. These are like placeholders for your starting and ending points. To create motion graphics, you'll often work with different nodes. For example, if you want to add text, you can right-click in the node area, select Add Tool, then go to Text and choose Text Plus. This will add a new text node. Connect the output of the text node to the Media Out node by dragging a line between them. Now, you can customize your text in the inspector on the right. Change the font, size, and color to fit your design. To animate your text, click on the Transform node and add keyframes to the center parameter. Move the playhead to a different frame and adjust the position of the text to create a motion effect. You can do this with any property that has a diamond icon next to it, indicating it can be animated. For more complex animations, you can combine multiple nodes like Merge, Background, and Shape. This allows you to build intricate motion graphics by layering different elements. Experiment with different effects and transitions available in the Effects library to enhance your graphics. Once you're satisfied, go back to the Edit page to see your motion graphics in the timeline, ready to be incorporated into your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.